Hello, I'm Maya Goodman.
And I'm Leah Goodman.
And we are Stoics about Stoichiometry. Now, I know that baking soda and vinegar probably seems like the most elementary reaction to chemists like us. But do we really know how this reaction works? How about the gas stoichiometry involved? When combining baking soda and vinegar, two chemicals react to form the fizzing. Acetic acid in the vinegar is the primary chemical that enables a reaction on the vinegar side. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, reacts with the acetic acid to cause an eruption. When the two mix, we are left with water, sodium acetate, and carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is gas. Come on, man. Gas stoichiometry. The chemical reaction with acetic acid and the sodium bicarbonate produces carbonic acid, which is a double displacement reaction. Since carbonic acid is unstable, it decomposes into carbon dioxide and water in a decomposition reaction. The bubbles created is carbon dioxide escaping from the water and sodium acetate.
Wow, I'm so stoked about stoichiometry.
This is your chemical equation for baking soda and vinegar. First off, in the reactants, we have NaHCO3, which is your baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, plus CH3CO2H, which is your vinegar or acetic acid, and it creates CH3CO2Na, which is your carbonic acid, plus H2O, which is water, plus CO2, which is your carbon dioxide, which is your gas. So we know that a mole of gas will occupy about 22.4 liters at STP, and every mole of bicarbonate or baking soda produces a mole of carbon dioxide. So we can multiply the bicarbonate by 22.4, and that should give you a rough estimate in liters of the carbon dioxide that happens. And now let's remember that if anything goes wrong in the ratio, it could be disastrous. For example, if there's too much vinegar, an explosion could happen and it could permanently damage your drain or any household items. We have to keep the ratio in sync with one another so that there's no mishaps and no explosions. We cannot have that. You're going to be wondering, how does this work? How is gas stoichiometry involved in baking soda and vinegar? Well, before I tell you that, let me show you the ingredients of this. So we're going to place 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a balloon. And then we are going to place 60 milliliters of vinegar into this bottle. So after you have your balloon filled with baking soda, you're going to put it over the mouth of your water bottle, which is going to be placed with vinegar. So after you put the balloon over the mouth of the water bottle, you're going to tilt it up, right? So then the baking soda will fall into the vinegar and it'll mix. So it'll erupt and it'll, the carbonic acid will fill up this balloon and it will cause it to swell and to inflate. And the carbonic acid is exactly gas stoichiometry. Hey, so now we're going to see how this experiment really works. So now, Leah over here has put 1 teaspoon of baking soda into this balloon. And now, we have 60 milliliters of vinegar in this measuring cup, which we're going to pour into here. So just keep on pouring. Now, once we put in the baking soda filled balloon, you'll see what happens next. Over. Alright, Leah, want to do the honors of tilting it up? Wow! Look at this bad boy go. Now you'll see, all of this is exactly what we were talking about. Sodium acetate, H2O, and carbonic acid. What is this, Leah?
Stoichiometry.
Yup. There are many real-life applications for baking soda and vinegar. There are many household uses for baking soda and vinegar used together. Mostly cleaning purposes. Combining baking soda and vinegar to clean drains is cost efficient, and the bubble in the drain when combining the two is enough to clean out even hair. It's also very good to use as an oven cleaner. If you spread a paste of baking soda on your oven and let it sit for a few hours, after wiping the baking soda off, rinse that area with some vinegar and your oven will be super clean. And also, if you sprinkle a little baking soda and then spray vinegar on a stain in a carpet, the baking soda and vinegar will instantly remove these stains. I'm still super stoked about stoichiometry. Hola, here we have our maid, Consuela. Consuela, can you tell us anything about yourself?
No.
Okay, Consuela. Did you know that baking soda and vinegar is awesome for household cleaning purposes?
Sí.
Wow, okay, Consuela, so let's use our baking soda and vinegar to clean out the drain. Come. Look here. Little baking soda. Ay, es magnífico. Ay, con Dios. That's very, very nice. Now, Consuela, would you ever use this great value to clean out a stain in a carpet?
No.
You would only use baking soda and vinegar